Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. This is Justice from TVET. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to stay updated with the latest educational insights. Today, we're diving into the upcoming changes in the Ghanaian education system, specifically the new SHS/TVET system set to be introduced in 2024. Let's explore what's in store for the 2024 BECE graduates. Have you heard about the significant changes coming to the senior high school (SHS) system in 2024? The introduction of the new curriculum for junior high school (JHS) from Basic 7 to 10 will reshape the secondary education landscape. When the current JHS 3, Basic 9, students graduate, they won't be placed in SHS 1 as we know it. Instead, they will be in Basic 10 within the SHS. Under the new curriculum, Basic 10 students will continue studying the final part of all subjects introduced in Basic 7 to 9 at the junior high school. This shift marks a fundamental change, and we'll discuss how this transition affects the students' educational journey. Basic 10 students studying the junior high school curriculum in SHS. Implications for schools lacking facilities for Basic 10. After sitting for the BECE in July 2024, students in SHS will spend an additional year in directly continuing their basic education. During this time, they won't start studying program-specific subjects. Instead, they'll cover the Basic 10 Common Core curriculum before delving into specialized subjects based on their chosen stream. Now, let's address concerns about the SHS duration. With the introduction of the Basic 10 curriculum, there's a need to reconsider the time spent in SHS. We explore options such as extending the SHS duration to ensure students have ample time to complete both the Common Core curriculum and their program-specific subjects before the WAS. SHS duration issues. Options for extending SHS duration. As we anticipate these changes, one key feature worth noting is the introduction of STEM programs to meet the growing demand for STEM-related courses. The Ministry of Education is expected to provide more insights as we approach the October 2024 implementation date. Stay tuned for updates on this transformative journey in Ghana's education system. If you found this information valuable, don't forget to hit the like button, share it with others, and subscribe for more in-depth discussions on education. This is Justice from TVET, signing off. Until next time, keep learning and stay informed.